if you're having these challenges where the back of your car is very low, and no matter what you do, the back is still low, you need to change the spring. Change the spring. Get some.
Come on, it's nice.
And he gone further down, you know. People live further down there, so to ready this road look there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, man. Now, I just come on here to talk about the many things that I have to do as it relates to servicing my vehicle. Now, you may have watched the videos that I posted earlier, and if you haven't seen them as yet, you can go and check them out. I'll just drop them down here in the description. I have changed my front shocks or strut. I have changed my back shocks, or strut. So, as I said earlier, if you haven't seen them, you can go and check them out. So, I am gonna be doing some more servicing, and the videos will be uploaded shortly. Now, I just want to give you a prelim of what I have to do as it relates to servicing. I have a general service to do on my Toyota Axio. I have the oil to change, I have the coil spring at the back to replace, because the coil spring that I have on is very low. And if you have this problem, as I said in my previous video, I'm not seeing anybody posting anything about these new Toyota Axios. So I'm going to be the one to post these videos because I need help myself, and in helping myself, I find that other persons have the same challenges. So I'm gonna be uploading these videos to help you, So yeah, guys, I'll be changing my back coils shortly. I bought the springs already. Now, if you're having these challenges where the back of your car is very low, and no matter what you do, the back is still low, you need to change the spring. Change the spring. Get some thicker springs. Get some Honda springs. Some Honda coils, as they would say. Yes. So that's it for now, guys. Just if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to the channel. I want to grow this channel in a massive way. So help me, guys. Help me to grow this channel. Like up the videos. Share the channel, and make this thing great. Help me to make this channel reach its maximum. Alright, guys, so until next time, Mechanical Man saying out. Much love. Thanks for the support.